Electricity bill normally comes at a lighting point. If not given, you have to go with area occupied. Carriage inward, always remember, it goes on the basis of purchases. I'll show you all the working out how they have classified. Why do we do this general P&L means, as I told you, insurance and accountancy charges we are not supposed to take and we are not supposed to divide. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Today we are discussing Unit 2 of your topic called Financial Accounting. Under Financial Accounting, we are discussing the topic Departmental Accounts. Once you're done with your branch accounting, the next part will be called as Department. Why do we prepare Departmental Accounting? The reason is very simple. In a factory, there are many departments will be there, like packing department, production department, research department, purchase department, sales department. These are the departments are there. Few departments work efficiently and few departments they don't work efficiently. Then what happens? The final result, you may get profit or loss, but you cannot identify which department is doing efficiently, so that you can appreciate them, you can give incentive and you can motivate them. How you can motivate them? If you do departmental accounting, individual department performance will be get to know. The reason for the departmental accounting to reduce the unnecessary cost as well as increase the efficiency and motivate the employees where they are doing good actually. Clear? Yes. Now, under departmental accounting, I'll explain you your departmental accounts with example of one problem. Now, from the following information, prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2013. These are the informations we have. Very simple. If there is A, B, C, three departments are there, you have to categorize. You have to divide that. How do you divide or categorize? Opening stock, purchases, sales. All the things they have given individually A and B. Few expenses they will give. For example, they will give you rent. How do you divide rent? Very simple. Rent has to be divided according to the area occupied. How much space you have used. According to that, your departmental accounting are to be done. Now, your opening stock 8,000, 10,000. Your purchases, sales, wages, general salary, rent and rates, carriage inward, carriage outward, discount allowed, discount earned, advertisement, accountancy charges, insurance. These are the expenses we have. Now, in this, almost up to this, they have given category 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4, they have divided directly. How do you classify this? How do you classify this? We'll do that. Now, additional information. General salary are to be allocated equally. Whatever the salary is there, you are supposed to allocate how? You have to divide it equally. And area occupied is in the ratio of 2:1. Anything which is related to rent, electricity bill normally comes at a lighting point. If not given, you have to go with area occupied. Then insurance and accountancy charges cannot be allocated to any other department. Insurance and accountancy you cannot allocate. Clear? Remember this. Goods transfer from department B to A worth is 15,000. B has given to A and A has given to B. In this, only B has given to A means A should be debited and B should be credited. This is debited and this one is credited. Then, closing stock of department A was 20,000 and department B is rupees 13,000. These are the closing balances they have given. Goods transferred from department A to B. See, here it is B to A, but here it is what? A to B. So these are the departmental trading account. Whatever given information in the question, similarly you have to categorize. Now, Opening stock, they have given A and B. It is given directly, you have taken directly. Purchase also given. Wages, yes, given. Carriage inward, yes. It is carriage inward. If you go back to question, whatever carriage inward is there, see, inward they have given. What is a carriage inward? Carriage inward, always remember, it goes on the basis of purchases. I'll show you all the working out how they have classified. And carriage outward, it goes on the basis of sales. Your discount allowed. Your at the time of sales, what you will do? You will give discount. So it is on the basis of what? Sales. Discount earned. At the time of purchasing, you ask for discount. So that is what? On the basis of purchase. Advertisement. Advertisement you do for the what reason? Selling purpose. So it is on the basis of sales. Your accountancy charges. It is on the basis of, as I told in the question, accountancy and auditing, you cannot classify for A and B. See, up to this, it is department A and B. These are not related to A. There is only common expenses they have given. Now, departmental trading and profit and loss account. Up to this, it is done. As I told you, carriage inward on the basis of your purchases. Internal departmental transfer. See, 15,000. It is B to A. 10,000 A to B. B is a receiver. A is a receiver. B is a receiver. A is a receiver. Similarly, your sales is done. Interdepartmental transfer. If 10,000 is debited to B, it should be credited to A. So, similarly, 10,000 and 15,000, it is always vice versa. Then, closing stock also taken. Take the total. From the total, if you minus, you will get 16,000 and 34, 1,000. That is what? Your gross profit. Once you're done with gross profit, departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2013. These are the particular AB. Now see, salary. On the what base we should distribute, they have given. General salary to be allocated equally. Whatever salary is given, divide for both the person. Now, 6,100, 6,100. Rent also given on the basis of what? Area occupied. Discount, carriage outward on the basis of sales. Discount, sales. Advertisement, sales. And this side, gross profit, your answer. Discount received on the basis of purchases. Once you done, add your credit side. From that, you minus all the debit item. You will get your answer 3,000 as well as 22,000. If you minus, you will get your final answer. General profit and loss account for the year ended. This is what, once you done with that, you have to go with general P&L. Why do we do this general P&L means, as I told you, insurance and accountancy charges, we are not supposed to take and we are not supposed to divide. If you cannot divide means it will go where? It will go commonly. So, your department A and B answer is how much? 23,000 and 3,000. What are the two general expenses? Like insurance, accountancy charges. From your income of 25,000, if you minus these two, your answer 23,200 will be your final answer. Hope you are clear? Yes. So, individual C, carriage inward, discount received, allocated on the basis of purchase ratio. Purchase department 70,000 and 80,000. It will be 7:8. Hope you are clear? Yes. General salary allocated equally. You have to mention the note. Rent is allocated on the basis of area occupied. Discount allowed, carriage outward and advertisement are apportioned on the basis of sales ratio as well as sale of department. Rupees 90,000 and department B is 1,20,000. As I told you, carriage outward, discount allowed as well as advertisement. Always on the basis of what? Sales. You have to classify these things on the basis of sales. Finally, insurance and accountancy charges are not allocated. Why? Because we have taken commonly. So this is what your departmental accounting, simple one, never skip in your examination. Most probably it may come for 15 marks if you're lucky enough, or else it may come for 10 marks. But never skip the problem called departmental accounting, because this is one of the easiest topic in your syllabus. So I'll go back to all the previous slides so that you can take screenshot. This is your problem number 1. Problem 1. Your solution for that. Your departmental trading account, general profit and loss account, working notes. So this is all about your departmental accounting. Under departmental accounting, you understood how to do departmental accounting, what are the bases. Remember, the basis they will ask for 2 marks also in your examination. Please work out this problem. You will understand better what do you mean by departmental accounting. Thank you.